Herbal teas and spices that soothe nerve inflammation. Nerve inflammation, also known as neuritis, often causes pain, tingling, and numbness. While medical treatments are important, nature offers gentle and effective support. Certain herbal teas and spices contain compounds that help calm inflammation, reduce discomfort, and support nerve health. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are some of the most effective herbal teas and spices that soothe nerve inflammation. 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile contains apigenin, a flavonoid with calming and anti-inflammatory properties. It's especially helpful for nerve pain caused by stress or poor sleep. 2. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm is rich in rosmarinic acid, which soothes the nervous system and reduces inflammation. It's ideal for those with anxiety-related nerve issues. 3. Turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric's main compound, curcumin, fights inflammation by targeting inflammatory enzymes. Adding black pepper boosts curcumin absorption for better results. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger helps reduce nerve pain by blocking inflammatory compounds like TNF-alpha. It also improves circulation, which supports healing. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon supports nerve function by lowering inflammation and improving blood sugar control. Its key compound, cinnamaldehyde, helps protect nerve cells. 6. Clove. Clove is high in eugenol, a natural anti-inflammatory. It can relieve pain and discomfort caused by irritated nerves. 7. Saffron. Saffron contains crocin and quercetin, which have neuroprotective effects. It's especially useful for nerve damage linked to chronic conditions. Using herbal teas and spices that soothe nerve inflammation is a simple, natural way to support nerve health. Always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing conditions or take medications. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.